ตั้งสติดีๆเอาเลย
Good morning, Professor and my friends. Good afternoon, Professor and my friends. Today we will talk about water pollution and effects of water pollution. Content that we present consists of source of water pollution, objective of the study, methodology, results and discussion, and conclusion. It is sort of water pollution. Water pollution occurs when pollutants are discharged directly or indirectly into water bodies without enough treatment to get rid of harmful compounds. Pollutants get into water mainly by human causes and factors. In this section, give information about the most significant source of water pollution.